so much for tuning into this tutorial. Yes, I have on the same outfit. I did film 2 looks in one day. Well, actually just cut it up because it was working on the face. I want y'all to get in tune into this eye look. So I don't want to keep y'all long. Let's see how Briana Marie achieved this bomb colorful look with the Secret Center palette. Don't forget to check the description right below for these hair deets. I will leave the tutorial down in the description right below on how to achieve this look to purchase the hair from Unice. So let's hop right into this tutorial. Yeah, so I am back with another video. So today I am going to only be doing my eyes on camera, and I'll come back with the under eyes and lips. Only because I have a special video, another video. So 2 videos are coming out to you. A review and thing will be in the description right below. But I tried to say in my video so I don't have to put in the description right below because I don't know, I just hate typing. So my Plouise Base and Ombre number 5. I am up and close and personal. Got another package from Plouise today, y'all. Y'all see the other one in the box and then the base is next to it. So in total I got 2 more winter base. I got 1 more winter base, I got 1 more color base, and then I also got another Plouise big palette, like the Academy palette, like with everything in it. I'm not going to give it away. I was thinking about giving it away because I'm like, what the, it's like too many giveaways and not enough, you know, people watching my videos and not enough coming in. So I don't think that I'm gonna do a giveaway on this. I am going into my Plouise base, going with this. This one is called Love Shy with my 167 brush. You already know the routine. I'm gonna go in with is Love Struck, which is this brown right here, and then we're gonna smoke that out with the 221. We're gonna take another brush, and then the last shade that we're gonna take is Fling, which is this color, like a taupey, and then we're gonna bling this, color this lid out. I'm trying to put this right in the socket also while blending upwards. Crease, I am going to use the Plouise limited edition base. This is Ombre number 2. Her creases take so long, y'all. It takes so long. So what I went ahead and did is I took my MAC brush. This is my Morphe brush, and this is 430. And what I did is basically did this until I got the edges blended. Go ahead and switch to Makeup Addiction and use that white. I don't even know where my other pigments are. Colors of each shade. So I am going to take my yellow then my orange, then my pink, then my fuchsia, and then we're gonna try to feel like the purple. The lighter area, I'm going to put Plouise's shimmer base. This one is called A Pinch of Seduction. The other one is called Of Desire. Last part, I'm going to take my lashes from my lash line. Y'all see I got the name on the back because I didn't actually pick a name yet. I'll meet y'all when I'm done with my face, and I'll come back to do the rest of my eyes. Now it's time to do the under eye, y'all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put black under the eyes, and with what's this? Affair. Then I'm going to take Addicted. Then I'm going to take Velvet Kiss. It's called Dreamy. Take Yellow, and I want to smoke it out. We're going to put it right there. That's it. I'm going to take Briana's Unveil lipstick, and I'm going to line the outer part of my lips. I'm taking Inglot's number 47 liquid lipstick. I'm going to take Fenty's Diamond Milk. Hair was by Unice from the Kysiss collection, y'all. The series. I love this curly hair because what you can do is basically put this in a hairnet and then put your wrap on for your edges and then put the bonnet on. Take it off, go and put some water in the bottle and some conditioner. And what you want to do is basically spray it to get like the frizzes out and then run your fingers through it. You can also get a brush to detangle it. Look at them curls. Ooh. That's basically all what you want to do for this hair. Low maintenance, really low maintenance. That's it. Don't forget to go check out Unice KY series. All the information of the hair info, the hair that I'm rocking down the description right below, as far as the link and everything else. Don't forget to go check them out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to this tutorial. Please come around and subscribe and share this video. And until then, I'm gonna see y'all guys in the next video. I'm gonna keep them coming to you, baby girl. That's for sure. What? Hey.